Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of making money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of full-time online income, we've got you covered. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to unveil the secrets to success. Let's get started. 1. Identify your passion or expertise. The first step in making money online is identifying your passion or expertise. What are you genuinely interested in? What skills do you possess? By focusing on your strengths and passions, you can find a niche that aligns with your interests and makes the process of making money online more enjoyable. 2. Choose the right online platform. Now that you know your passion or expertise, it's time to choose the right online platform. There are various options available, such as freelancing websites, e-commerce platforms, content creation platforms, and online marketplaces. Research and select the platform that best suits your goals and aligns with your chosen niche. 3. Build an online presence. Building an online presence is crucial for success. Start by creating a professional website or a blog that showcases your expertise and attracts your target audience. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build a strong online community around your brand. 4. Monetize your skills and knowledge. Now comes the exciting part. Monetizing your skills and knowledge. Here are a few popular methods you can consider. 1. Freelancing. Offer your services as a freelancer in your area of expertise, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or consulting. 2. E-commerce. Set up an online store and sell physical or digital products related to your niche. 3. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog, and monetize through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 4. Online courses. Create and sell online courses or digital products that provide value to your audience. 5. Diversify your income streams. To maximize your earning potential, it's essential to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Explore different avenues within your niche and consider multiple streams of revenue, such as collaborations, partnerships, and passive income opportunities like ebooks or membership sites. 6. Continuous learning and adaptation. The online world is constantly evolving, so continuous learning and adaptation are key. Stay updated with industry trends, new platforms, and marketing strategies. Invest in your skills by taking online courses, attending webinars, and networking with other professionals in your field. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling, stay inspired, and may your online ventures be